Looking at this old single phase unit, I think it's about 1.5 horsepower based on the size of these. Just looking at the date on this, at 69.19, I think that's the year, and maybe that might be the week, because this one was a 69.08. So looking at the style of units, so press cold, but they used to badge them up as pressed steel. They started off as pressed steel car bodies, something to do with Rover, and that relay's a really old, is it a D1000 or something? These were obsolete when I was a kid. I remember working with my dad and in wiring these up, and they were obsolete then. That was 30 years ago. Anyway, we found one of the wires has come off the top of that capacitor, which you can't blame it after 50 years. Yeah, anyway, just thought that was interesting. Okay, got one lead off, the crocodile clip on it, the other one's on there, where its terminal's on there, and that is still reading 10 microfarads after, what's that, 50 years or something? So they definitely don't make them like that anymore. And that's the 5, and that's still reading good. As a rule of thumb with these, it was 10 microfarads per horsepower, so if it's 15 microfarads, it's probably a 1.5. So we'll just see if we've got a start cap. It's that old, the wires actually started to perish. All the insulation's come off. I've had to shorten one of these in here because all the rubber had perished. So we want it's a 60 and that's a 160, so we want something like a 220. Let's see what we've got. He's having a job starting before